am Pooja, and in this video we'll talk about ELSS. Before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and download the Lxme app. Lxme is India's first financial platform exclusively for women, where women like you can ask, learn, share and invest your money. In India, everything that we have is taxed, even our patience. Just kidding. On that note, let me run you through the specifics of how one can minimize the amount of taxes paid through the option of ELSS. ELSS are equity-linked savings scheme. These funds are also referred as tax-saving mutual funds. As the name suggests, ELSS is a type of mutual fund that primarily invests in equities with a little portion in fixed income securities. This kind of investments give you a twin benefit of tax saving and wealth creation. Yes, ELSS do have a lock-in period of 3 years, which is pretty much the lowest from all the tax saving options available. This means you can only sell your investments after 3 years from the date of purchase. However, to maximize returns from ELSS, it is recommended to keep your investments intact for maximum possible duration, as equity gives good returns in the long term. Individuals, that is Indian citizens, non-resident Indians, that is NRIs and HUF, are all allowed to invest in ELSS. Additionally, there is no age limit to invest in ELSS. What are minimum and maximum contributions? You can invest any amount in ELSS as there is no upper capping, whereas most fund houses allow an individuals to start with a minimum investment of Rs 500. To invest in these funds, you need to open an investment account. By the way, at Lxme, we offer expert curated portfolios to meet the needs of our investors. Additionally, opening this investment account is free of cost. Once it is done, you can select a tax saving option and start investing. ELSS mutual fund provide a tax benefit of Rs 1,50,000 a year under Section 80C of the Income Tax Act 1961. So say suppose if Sarita auntie puts Rs 1,50,000 in an ELSS fund, the entire amount will be deducted from her total income and she will be liable to pay taxes only on the remaining amount. Isn't that amazing? Not just that, long-term gains up to Rs 1 lakh are tax-free every year. There are various tax-saving options to help you save taxes: FD, PPF and NSE to name a few. But the returns offered from these schemes are fixed. This is where ELSS stands out, as it has a minimum lock-in period, helps you to create wealth in the long run and minimizes taxes. Additionally, even the post-tax returns of ELSS are much more attractive than that of any other tax-saving investment option. So that's it from me, guys. If you would like to know more about ELSS or want me to cover any other financial instrument, please drop your suggestions in the comment box below. Stay tuned for the next video. To get started on your investment journey, download the Lxme app to get more such informative videos. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you.